Okay, we have a Hyundai Kia Vertical Machining Center model VX750MH. Serial number VX750MH001. Machine was new in 2007. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC control, 18 IMB, 50 taper spindle. He's running the Z axis. You have 28.3 in Z, 61 in X, 29.5 in Y. You have a 70.9 by 27.6 large table. He's running the Y. He ran the Z before. And that's your X. You have telescopic way covers, all axes, box ways. .50 taper spindle. He's simulating a tool change, or actually doing a tool change. It's a 30 ATC side mount tool changer. We're going to run the spindle.
At
1500 RPM, we're going up. Machine also has a chip conveyor and a high pressure coolant through unit.
That's
3500.
3500.
5500.
That's 7500.
7500.
That's
9,000 RPM on a 50 taper spindle. Okay. All right. I think you've seen it. Thanks for watching our video.